Okay, so my name's Cade Schulze, and I basically did a survey on the different locations in Billings that are kind of problem intersections. How many of you take Rimrock and Virginia home, or you drive on that constantly almost every single day? I know I certainly do. A lot of people do. Someone might want to start the timer. So basically this intersection that I'm talking about, Virginia and Rimrock, is horrible. You can't see around the corner. If you're going down this way, odds are people are going 55 miles an hour. It's just a ridiculous corner. I hypothesize that many wrecks occur here because when you drive by almost every week in the summer, you see a wreck there. It is, it's very sad, basically, to see how many people get into accidents here when it could be so easily avoided. I did a little bit of research on traffic engineering, and I calculated the cost of the most effective solutions. And I compared Rimrock and Virginia to a bunch of other locations, as you see here. And I also compared Poly Drive and 13th. I compared it before we added the light in December 2016 and after. As you can see, there's a very significant decrease. And I also, as I said, I researched the cost, and basically I thought of a couple different solutions. One, you could add a roundabout, and that is around $19,000 to $250,000. It depends on how much you want to adorn it. That would work really well because it would slow down traffic coming east and west, whatever way, and people would have a chance to pull into the intersection, slowing down the people going. And you could also implement a traffic light, which I think would be the best solution. It costs a bit more, and it's around $150,000 to $250,000, and you have to run maintenance and electricity. So certain fees like that would total up to around $4,000 a year. This data I got with working with the former chief of criminal investigations of the Billings Police Department named Becky Shea. She was super helpful and made this entire thing just flow really well. She gave me access to queries where I could just plug in a certain address, do a little location. It was a radius of around 500 feet. This one, as you can see, is mostly just on Rimrock Road itself, but I was able to test my initial location with the ones that I had as constants. And as you can see, Virginia Lane and Rimrock Road had 29 different accidents from 2015 to the current day. And that is 29 too many, when it's just easily avoidable. My hypothesis was correct, as I initially thought. And as you can see, the highest number after this, which was around 8, is 5.8 times less than Virginia and Rimrock Road. So even though that was still a hugely issue, it was a big issue that we had, it's still nowhere near amount that Virginia and Rimrock Road is. So this should prove to the city of Billings that this is a serious issue we all should work on to change. While the finances may be costly, people should contribute, because not only are you saving the lives of other people, you could be saving the lives of yourself.